Strides of Success Pty Limited was established to recycle waste paper into tissue and packaging grades of paper. What you see here is white waste, mainly office waste, that will be made into tissue paper. Tissue is then converted into toilet paper, kitchen towels, and many other tissue products. This is the conveyor that takes waste paper bales up to the pulper. This is the boiler house. The boiler, as you see here, uses coal, which we source locally from Moropule mines, and the coal is converted into steam. The steam is then used to dry paper, which is in the final process. This is the conveyor once again that takes the waste paper bales up to a process. This is a pulper where the waste paper is then made into a slurry for further processing. This is a complete stock preparation plant. Here we take sand out, plastics out, paper clips, etc. We clean the pulp, we treat it, and we make it ready to make paper. We even have the facility of washing the pulp and also de-inking the pulp if necessary. The entire plant has control panels where the operators can operate various equipments, and this is both on the stock preparation and on the paper machine side. Various tanks where the pulp is moved from one process to the other process as it gets cleaned, and we have various tanks with mixers, as you see. This is where we prepare the pulp before it is finally processed into paper. The entire process is piped up with stainless steel pipes as it goes from one process to the other. Now we are approaching the paper machine where the pulp is then ready to be made into paper. This is the heart of making the paper. The fiber comes onto what is called a mold. The mold is where 1% fiber and 99% water comes in. We then form a sheet of paper, and the sheet of paper gets transferred onto a felt, and the felt takes the paper to this cylinder which is full of steam. The paper is made on this machine using drying and using a scraping method that we use to make tissue. As you can see on this video, the tissue is being made. This is when we commissioned the tissue machine. These are reels of paper that we sent out to a converting plant, and in front of it there is a 2-ply rewinder which will rewind single ply sheets into 2-ply. There is a 2-ply rewinder. The laboratory is used to test the paper. Mainly the strength properties and the grammage are tested here. This is our electrical substation, internal substation, where we have 2 transformers of 2000 kVA each. We have a connected load of 4000 kVA, which is going to be supplied from the BPC power source. From the transformers, we go to the switchgear, and from the switchgear we go to the motor control centers. We have a lot of electronic drives that control various parts of the machines. This is our internal water treatment plant. It's a system called the dissolved air flotation plant to separate fiber and water. Water is reused back into the process, and the fiber is reused back into paper making process.